We'll guide you through how to fix no sound coming from Davinci Resolve 18. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all, do just make sure that the video on audio you're playing back does have audio. As you can see, mine definitely does. Next, you want to go to the top right of the timeline and you'll have this volume tool here. Make sure, of course, that's increased all the way up like so. If that still isn't working, then go to the top left of Davinci Resolve and then click on the name Davinci Resolve and then go and click on Preferences. On the left, make sure you select Video and Audio and then go down to Output Device and make sure you click there. As you can see, mine's currently selected to use system settings, but just make sure you go and select the actual output you want to go and use. In this case for me, it's Realtek USB audio. Once you've done that, then press save. If it still hasn't, then what you can do if you use Windows is click on the search and type in Sound Mixer Options and scroll down and find Apps and just make sure you go and increase Davinci Resolve to 100 and that it's not set to 0. If you guys found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.